Why HostNoc? Launch smart business websites with our easy-to-manage web hosting. Blazing fast hosting solutions designed to meet the needs of small and medium-sized businesses. Expert support from the experts. Our web hosting solutions let you take advantage of our advanced infrastructure and technical prowess. Combine it with highly skilled and experienced professionals, and you do not have to worry about your website. Our experts will take care of your online business needs so that you do not have to worry about it anymore. Best web hosting services for unrivaled website experience. You have built your business after decades of hard work and looking for the best hosting service that can own the business website like their own. HostNoc fits the bill perfectly as it combines performance, reliability and trust to deliver an unmatched web experience to your customers. With a wide variety of hosting plans to choose from, HostNoc has something for everyone. Our latest SSD servers equipped with high-speed network connectivity and fast processors can give you blazing fast performance. Irrespective of which content management system you use to host your website or apps on. What makes HostNoc's web hosting special? Selecting the most impactful web hosting service provider can be confusing. HostNoc offers a comprehensive range of web hosting options. That makes it very easy for website owners to launch and manage their e-properties. Our hosting plans include reliability guaranteed. Downtime means a loss for your business. That's why we ensure your site is up 99.99% of the time and your customers happily engage with you. Scalable performance. Our web hosting adapts to changing performance demands and increasing traffic. This means every visitor gets to enjoy the same amazing experience. Free website migration. Want to move your website to our hosting? Worry not. We offer complimentary website migration service with minimum downtime. Intuitive control panel. Managing the back end of your website can be a daunting task. Our control panels make it very easy to change settings and manage updates. SSL ready website. All hosting options come with SSL certifications. That means your customers can make a transaction on your website with no fear of data theft. 24/7 protection. You get absolute peace of mind that your website is always secure from the most potent cybersecurity assaults that haunt the cyber universe. Launch a successful website with HostNoc. HostNoc offers a range of powerful tools to get your website up and running in no time. From easy website building to instant application installation, we've got you covered. 1, 2, 3, go. All you need to do is sign up and upload your website content and it'll be ready to roll. In case you hit a snag, our friendly support team will help you. Overcome any bottlenecks and launch your website in a jiffy. One-click installation. All our hosting plans come with a fast installation tool that support any website built with any script. You can instantly install any script, including WordPress, Joomla, WHMCS, OpenCart, Laravel, Open Real Estate and others. Still haven't found what you're looking for? We may have the ideal solution for you. Shared hosting. When building a website, start here. Our shared hosting service packs a punch and offers reliability and load management to ensure your website stays up and running all the time. Reseller hosting. Our reseller hosting service is tailor-made for web developers and designers, offering them a long-term platform for maintaining client websites. Boost your revenues by adding web hosting services that can rely on through our reseller hosting service. WordPress hosting. Take advantage of lightning-fast performance and unparalleled customer support of our reliable WordPress hosting service and deliver a smooth user experience to your users. Choose one of our best web hosting services and select a plan to host your WordPress website inside your budget.